Hello everyone, this is Pamela from Design Wishes by Pamela. Really excited to do this 100 subscriber giveaway with you all. I cannot thank you all enough for subscribing and supporting my YouTube channel, my blog, and my Facebook page. I truly enjoy making these projects and sharing them with you, and looking forward to do so much more with tutorials and possibly kits down the road. So I actually checked my dashboard on YouTube and I have 111 subscribers officially today. So thank you all. Thank you all. So with that being said, I'm going to show you what is in the giveaway. It'll be a random drawing. So if you are a subscriber, the winner will be selected at random. And I do have family members who are subscribers, but they are not eligible, so their names will not go in the little bin for selecting the winner. So without further delay, let me show you what I'll be giving away. So the first item that will be given away in the whole, you're going to get everything that I show you, are some label clips from Tim Holtz Ideology. These are really cool label holders. It has kind of like a vintage look, I think, with the distressed looking clear label protector that goes over these. So there is a set of 6. These are brand new, unopened, and that's going to go into the giveaway package. And then from Little Yellow Bicycle is a set of journaling cards with the Christmas theme. There are 26 cards in this set, and they are brightly colored, and you can see that some of them you just pop right out of the card. So you can add these to a card or a layout. Really cool set of 26 journaling cards with a Christmas holiday theme. The next thing that's going to go into the giveaway packet is a 6x6 patterns and solids from Graphic 45, and it's their Cityscapes paper collection. And if you watched my videos, I've done a few projects using the Cityscape paper collection from Graphic 45, and I really love it. But this is a really nice profile if you're a card maker. 6x6 pads, patterns and solids. So you're getting the solids and you're getting the patterns as well. 36 sheets of paper in a 6x6 pad from Graphic 45. These are Trinket Pins from Tim Holtz Ideology. These Trinket Pins are really cool and fun to use. There is so much that you can do with these pins. There's a set of 15 pins in this collection. So these are great embellishments for your vintage like projects. You can also distress them too. The next item that's going in the giveaway package is box corners from Tim Holtz Ideology. There's a set of 8 corners and then 24 fasteners. These are really great if you have a chunky album, or if you're doing a box mixed media crap project. These are really cool to have. They add a nice dimension to your projects or your squared chunky albums. So that's going in. And then the last item is from Artsy. It's an Accordion Book Tin, and it has you can 146 pieces in this tin set. So it's a great little mini. You can use it as a gift. You can put a gift card in there if you wanted to. The kit contains a tin book, 93 embellishments, and 51 stickers. So it'll probably go beyond what you could use it for. But I thought this was a really cute little fun project kit that you can make or use as a gift. So once again, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I am looking forward to doing a giveaway for either the next 500 subscribers or 1,000 or more. So thanks so much for watching, and thanks again for your support.